If you're running a business and do not have a website yet, you're missing out on a potentially lucrative opportunity to grow your brand online. As I have highlighted in my previous videos, for you to potentially optimize your online growth process, you need to be active on both social media and through your website. Studies show that we currently have more than 1 billion websites across the world competing in different platforms and selling different products and services. The sheer number is proof enough that the industry is on a growth trajectory and it's not slowing down anytime soon. The growth, therefore, in internet usage among the African population presents enormous opportunity for online businesses in future. Having a website that will help meet your organization objectives, be it improving your sales or getting more engagement, is therefore very important. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria from Asha Group, and in this video I take you through the 6 website best practices to help grow your online traffic and possibly improve your conversion statistics. Tip number 1, user-friendly website. User-friendly simply implies that your website is easy to browse or navigate through. Users should be able to get what they want with ease, whether it's general company information like the nature of your business or the location, or even if they like something on your site and would want to purchase, they should easily be able to do that with ease. A few of the navigation tips include: try to limit the navigation tabs to not more than 3 levels. This means that if you have many product categories, try the use of mega menus. The second one is the use of breadcrumbs. The third one is responsive navigation. This means that the behavior of the menu is altered by the different devices. The second tip, ensure that your website is mobile optimized. Most users access the internet using their mobile phones. Therefore, it's important to ensure that one can easily navigate through your site using their mobile phones. There are some websites that are accessible by the laptop and desktop, but once you open them on your phone or tablet, the borders are static and hidden due to the screen size. A good website should automatically detect the borders of the device and adjust accordingly. The third tip is to include call to actions on your site. The website serves 2 main purposes, that is to grow your sales or elevate your brand through engagement with your target audience. The messaging and design of a website should be geared towards achieving these 2 objectives. After your users get the information they need and now would want to make a decision, having a call to action feature can help start a conversation or even close a deal. A good example is having a banner marketing that month's deal or offer, and now you can even decide to make it clickable to allow users to automatically add the product to cart and even purchase. You can also have pop-ups that encourage visitors to follow you on social media or subscribe or request a quote. These are just some of the indirect ways to increase your chances of growing your online brand and also increasing sales. A useful tip on the call to action: if your call to action is in the form of a pop-up, give it a few seconds for users to read the information on your site before actually making the pop-up appear. Also, if you're seeking to start a conversation with clients, then ask only for basic information to get you started. Most of the time, just stating the names and email addresses is enough. If you would want to add other fields like the location, age, education, don't make them mandatory unless it's really necessary, because it might end up being counterproductive and discourage participation. The fourth tip is secure your website. The best and easiest way to secure your website is to install an SSL certificate. SSL encrypts communication between the web server and the user. The padlock badge in front of a website link means that the site is secure. This gives confidence to users that the information they are accessing or sharing on your site is secure. If you have an e-commerce store and you're requesting for sensitive data like credit cards, debit cards, you cannot ignore having an SSL. Some of your users may not actually notice the change most of the time, but they will see the notification on the URL bar stating that this site is not secure. The fifth tip is search engine optimization. Ensuring your website is well optimized is key to the growth of your online brand. This is usually a technical solution that can be best offered by an SEO company. To simplify what SEO is, the developer will use well-researched keywords related to your business to improve your ranking on search engines like Google, Yahoo, or even Bing. Ensuring flow of information on the different pages, and also the website takes the shortest possible time to load. Additionally, content is king because it makes users trust that you are a legitimate business and are able to deliver to them what they need. Have your content well researched and wording captivating, and of course, the information should be well updated. Keeping in mind that is the first step to encourage your users to click the call to action button. Lastly, on SEO, the content should be scannable. Most users don't read through the content. So while it's important to have a lot of information on your site, make sure that the key highlights stand out to allow users to derive value from your site by getting whatever information they need, even if they're just scanning through. These are just some of the few SEO tips to get you started on optimizing your site. The sixth one is website aesthetics. We are very visual people. The same way people judge you by how you dress is the same way users will judge your brand by the way your website looks. Having a cluttered and ugly website will make you have a lot of bounce rates. This means users come to your site and leave almost immediately or fail to scroll through your other pages. Therefore, always structure the items on your site to make the users want to stay there longer. You can include well-designed and optimized images or videos to keep things interesting. Well-selected and designed graphics that are on brand will always have users glued to your site. Well, there you have it, the best practices for a good website design. If you'd like to get more information on how to grow a business online, then like this video and click the subscribe button below. Thanks again for watching and see you next time.